Potato Chayote Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most different of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make Potato Chayote Rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of chayote cut into pieces, 6 to 8 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. And around 200 to 250 grams of peeled and cut potatoes. Now add around 5 ml of red chili sauce. Mix thoroughly and marinate the chayotes in the red chili sauce. Heat the pan and pour 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the shallots, salt, and mix thoroughly. Salt and the onions and the shallots in a separated fry. Put in the ginger, salt, sauce. Now put in the chayote pieces. Thoroughly mix. Put in the potato pieces. Mix thoroughly. And salt this. Mix. Mix in the salt. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Mix. Pour in 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed soaked rice. Mix. Let this mixture cook for 5 more minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the potato chayote rice is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato chayote rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the chayote recipes and one of the most nutritious of the Mirliton recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.